Alright, good morning. I am already behind on the 8 ball, it feels like, because I didn't realize that my microphone wasn't working and I had to restart the computer to get the microphone to work. So sorry for the show getting started a little bit later than normal. But hopefully everything will be up and running normally here real quick. Um, like I said in the description, since I was out sick for several days, finally got that all set up. My plan today is probably just to kind of chill. I still got the cough. What are you chewing on? So, uh, kind of sucks because it looks like a few things did do a pretty good run. Um, Looks like Tesla had a pretty good run. The last several days here. Thursday, I definitely would have been in. Dang. Thursday would have been a really, really nice day. Um, Today could be a good day too. Again for Tesla. We might be finally getting out of this band. But I feel like I might already be a little on the late side of that. Yeah. Um, DocuSign was another one I was kind of interested in. Friday, it really took off. I don't remember where I saw it. I think it was GG. Stop. Um, Somewhere around here. It was beginning of the week. Kind of like the same thing with this one. Actually, I saw this one on the 11th. The DocuSign was the same on the 11th. So that's where I saw it. So yeah, it did do good. I saw this one after this big, huge, and definitely easily could have gone long in it. Yeah, that was last Monday. Um, that was a really good bullish move on that one. Sheesh, girl. I might have to put her in her crate because she's just being a little active. Um, I'll take her out after trading today. Oh, nope. She's in her early teen ages right now and being a little bit of a handful to work with her. All right. I could throw that right there, that there, that there. Java will update update you later. All right. So, whoops. Yeah. All right. So I'm in the Discord. Let's take a look at some of the comments that have been going on in here. I got a few things cooking on my other screens here. I don't need to worry about any of that right now. All right, so uh from what I remember, Andy took a trade on Tesla for on Friday. I don't have it. That's why I kind of would like people to put things their trades in here instead of just general chat. Anyway, um, but yeah, I think we're gonna have a good general day. Switch over here real quick. Let's take a look at the SP 500 map. Market was a little washy Friday. We'll go to that here in a second. Let me move this closer to me. Um, ICCT. What did I think of that? So ICCT looks like it's going to be doing another continuation, but just kind of dangerous, I think. Um, we'll throw it right here. I just think it's dangerous because it's going to be a micro company, a low volume company. We could take a look into that real quick. I'll just pull up the specs here. Where's the Yeah, this is not a large size company for sure. I thought it would tell me right in here, but I'm pretty sure it's a micro. 7-8 million, yeah. Really kind of risky. Um, we're just looking for like big shift changes in here. Um, that's a $10 difference. Boom. Some biggest losers. All right, we'll switch over to here. We don't have much on the losing list. But that might help. So we got mid 2 billion and higher. I had a pattern or change from open. Took that off. That made a big difference there. Okay, so we definitely do got red on the chart there. I was like, oh, there's no way we don't have red on the chart. Um, so we got 19.38% on that one down. Um, yeah, so it went from 76 down to 72. It is shortable. Um, that's going to be way down here. So this one could very well have a very good shortability. Um, so we're going to keep an eye on that one. Um, it may not continue to drop though. Uh, all state. Ooh, wow. All state. Small sizing. Only 190. But that's still. Alright, so this is where Finviz and this are not agreeing. I'm not seeing that order that came in that shows that. Um, that doesn't mean it didn't happen though. I don't personally see that right now. So that could mean quite a few different things, but we're not gonna worry about chasing that. Look through a KBR, small share sizing on that. All right, let's flip this around. X is really hitting all them keynotes right now. X was a company I used to watch closely. I haven't watched it in forever though. I just went ahead and put on my long-term sheet. All right, so I think that's as much as I want to kind of go down that list for right now. So let's switch back over here. Look at Macy's. Not interested. This was a stock that Obsidian was trading a lot, or traded quite a bit. He made some pretty good money on it, but I think he missed out on some of this move here. But this is still performing quite well. Even counting the pullback is not bad. Amazon is doing good. It's at a new high. Of course it is. Wow, wow, wow. If you got in on the option at the right time. All right, so this is where I could pop off for a brief second. And I'm going to go and use that time to pop off for a second. So I'm going to put you guys on this screen, and I'll be right back. Okay, okay, okay. I'm back. Few seconds to spare. Good morning, Obsidian. How are you doing? I'm still not feeling well, so I just had to run off to the bathroom. My plan is to take it a little bit easy today since I've been out for several days. Don't want to get into a FOMO situation. And me still not feeling well. My head is not groggy, but still out of it a little bit. All right. I actually think this will be going up overall. So I don't feel short on this at all. Now, with it being pushed down like this early on, I don't know if I want to jump into that and try to go long down here. I guess I could take a quick look to see what Spy and Queen are doing. They opened red briefly. Looks like they're switching to green. So, how are you doing, Obsidian? Oh, thank you, thank you. I forgot to switch that. So, I don't think Tesla's going to go red or stay red here. But I don't want to short it, and I don't want to go long on it. Just kind of want to wait. Taking the last weeks of December easy? Yeah, I hear that. ICCT had a pretty decent pre-market. Definitely has room to just skyrocket. It has before. We'll take a small little bite here. Really close stop loss. Right there. Very small share sizing. We'll see what happens. Alright. Oh, shoot. How much did I lose on that last trade? It's like $14. Okay. Well, we got that back. And for once, I could actually turn myself green. I just got this here just in case it does want to take me out. And it looks like it might want to. I was thinking about trying to buy it since it did come down twice like that. You know, buy the dip. Right around the, the 256. That's a whole dollar mark. Kind of normal to have a little bit of problems fighting right around there. That's fine. We're not going to move our stop yet. I'm thinking I might just go ahead and jump out here soon. Taking the money, so to speak, and running. Oh, I don't have buying power for that much. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and bring it up out there. And so now I'm just sitting underneath the 256. Quite happy that I did pick the right direction. Kind of wish I did do an option trade on it. Andy just said in the on the Discord that he took an option on the 265 calls, and he made pretty good on them. Or did he mean the 260? I don't know. Either way, they're up, so Did that. If I can capture a little bit of this upswing on this one, that'd be great. So we're gonna chase that. So we did capture a little bit right there. Yeah, I think Tesla is gonna go kind of decent today. I just grabbed a little bit of a short play right here. Short went long right here and sold it up here. Took a little bit of a scalp with a 100 share. I got in way down here. Down in here. I did want to get in sooner. I should have had my stop loss set here, but I was looking at another stock. CRM is also doing really, really good right now. I might try to... If it, we'll do another 100 if it goes up. Looking for the bounce. Didn't happen. I'm out. 188. You know, I'll take it. Yeah, I think you're right, Andy. I think it's going to go up even higher than where it's at right now. But I'm just playing cautious. I was thinking it was about to break right there, but I guess not. If it doesn't break soon, I'm probably just going to try to get out. That's my insurance. I am expecting a little bit of a pullback. Coming back down, testing the 257. So we're gonna sit right at the 256.9. And it just triggered me. But that's okay. We put a little bit more in the bank. I guess Netflix is taking off. Wow, yeah. A spread I wouldn't want to do though. Spy and Queen seem like they're slowing down a little. They're coming back down near their uh yeah. Uh Sorry, I didn't see you over there on Twitch. Yeah, you're more than welcome to ask about a Pacific ticket taker. I need to make sure I'm looking up and acknowledging people on time. I don't think they're there anymore. All right. Apple seems like it's going through some troubles. Yeah, you see, this is starting to slow down. So I'm glad I'm not in this trade anymore, and I'm just gonna sit back and chill. I'll put a little bit of money in the bank, $200 on this one trade here, and I'm gonna take that. So today's a 205. Not that's pretty good. Pretty good. I'm pretty happy about that. Especially, just getting off of being sick again. Damn. I've not been sick in a while, but when I tell you that I got hit hard, I got hit hard. Um, my head was hurting. My head was in a fishbowl the entire time. Um, I was damn near in and out of consciousness. I can't pronounce that word. I mean, I wasn't going unconscious, but I just couldn't stay awake. My head was hurting so damn much. I couldn't think. Um, Sometimes I felt drunk. My head was terrible. I felt terrible. Just trying to get up, I felt like I was walking around drunk. It was terrible. I don't know how many more times I can say terrible, but it was terrible. Uh, Looking for a continuation drop here. This is going to be a stop and go only, so looking for, couldn't get it. I think it could actually come down below the 256. Maybe come back down, touch top of VWAP right here, or center VWAP, and then maybe bounce off that. But I'm still pretty bullish on it. Unless Spy and Queen really take a huge dump for some reason. But I don't think that's going to be happening. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think it's only a dip. I don't think it's going to stay down. That's why I was like, stop and go continuation. And I was hoping it was going to break down below the 256, come down towards here, and I was going to cover right around here, and probably even go long if it came down here for another climb back up and out. Um, so yeah, I couldn't eat. Was not hungry. Stomach was not happy with me. My yeah, dude, I felt absolutely terrible. On top of not being able to breathe very well, um, my nose was runny as hell. I mean, overall, it really, really super sucked. See, that's the climb back up. It's going to go for a new high. I'm pretty sure. This will be... I don't want to stay in this for too long if it doesn't want to work. All right, a little scary. I kind of got into that at not the best time, I think. Should have probably waited a fraction longer. I need this to break up, not down. Like, ouch. I might try to take a stab on it. Well, that sucks. So we're just going to keep an eye on this again. That's where I probably should have done. All right, we're just gonna watch it. I'm looking at going back in with 300. We're just gonna give it a second. Yeah, didn't get much back, but we got some back. Now I'm starting to feel not too happy with it, kind of coming back down here. But we're just gonna kind of keep hoping for the best here. Oh, shoot. Do I want that? No, I don't think I do. I didn't realize I had a buy order in there. Watch that buy order will be, dead on the money. Yep. Maybe not. Unless I sold it up here. It is. I mean, this is could be a support area right here. If so, it just broke. Trading can be really, really. Hey, hello, Akar. How you doing? Trading can be really difficult at times because you're always trying to react to what you're seeing, but it can be very difficult to know when you're acting wrong or acting right. CVCO? I might take a look at that later. Although I already know what kind of stock that's going to be. That's a low value stock. low small caps. I'm trying to stay away from those. Trying to. So the queen and spy just took off some, so we're gonna give this a shot. So this is a little bit of a bounce off of queen and spy play, hopefully. Oh, we're out. We're getting close to our previous HOD. We're less than $30 or about $30 away. So we're back at $167 profit, counting the small loss that I had. I was putting a stop loss for the most part just as a protection, but yeah, I would generally agree. And this is where I'm going to get chewed. I was hoping for a strong break above that. Kind of like that. We're going to put in my insurance right here. Yeah, and I know it's going to try to chop, but I'm going with a sizing that's a little bit larger than I would want to use right now. So that's why I'm running a little bit of a tight stop loss. I'm just trying to get a couple $100 into the bank right now. And I got out where I didn't really want to. But you know what? We're right back near HOD. We're only 10 like $13 short, and that's okay. If I had a much smaller sizing, I would have probably been happier to sit through some of that chop a little bit longer. But I am doing 300 share size, so that's uh, it's a pretty penny, like 80 some odd thousand, 80, 90,000 a trade. Queen and Spy are still going up, so this is probably still going to go up. Small sizing, I could always add into it. Mm. If this trade doesn't work out, I'm just gonna probably quit for the day because I'm starting to try to micro trade, and I already know when I start getting into this situation, I'm gonna do terrible. So yeah, I'm trying to force it instead of letting it come to me. That's what she said. I should have done that. I just saw that spy and queen went up, so I'm trying to do a stab play, and frankly, that's not smart. I really feel like I should have done that differently, but I really kind of want to get back over HOD. Glad I kind of jumped out where I did. I was wanting to try to get that order in, but just couldn't get it in. Well, I took several trades here. I'm starting to overtrade. I feel like I'm getting into territory that can be very dangerous for me. I think taking the $150 win that I have is better than the nothing. I was hoping to get back up to 200. Um, but I think that might just be a little. I don't think that's going to be in my card for today. And that's okay. Yeah, see that's a fairly ugly drop. And this is going to go above 260 today. I bet you. I bet it's going to hit 260. We're a dollar away. No, $2 away. Can't do math. I think we're definitely going to see 260 out of this today. So yeah, oh, sheesh. See, all right, yeah, let's go take a look at that A car. So CVCO. So this is not a cheap stock. This is actually one of the more expensive stocks I've ever seen you buy. So your average price is 329.46. Is that right? Yeah, 46. Cool. So you are up actually fairly decent. How many shares did you have? How many shares do you have? Yeah. So 329. So you're down over in the bottom of this here. This could definitely be a decent little like long-term play. 21 shares. Okay. Yeah, so this could definitely be a very decent long-term play here. I have no idea what they do, but the chart looks good. So the, could very potentially be a very good play there. There, a car, modular homes. Okay, so they build homes. So are you looking at that as like a COVID play or what? Um, because I don't think I don't know if I would say COVID play, but COVID era play. I don't think homes are much of a problem anymore. I think there's actually going to be a overabundance of homes. We're gonna do a small stop and go play here. Got in higher than I wanted. No, did I hit the wrong? I hit the wrong button. And it took money from me. I was wanting to actually buy another share, not. Whoops. I don't think that did much for me. A little bit. I was wanting to be in 200 down here. That would have been great. But I hit the wrong damn button. 100% my fault. I should. That's kind of like what I was saying earlier. I'm starting to overtrade. I'm making mistakes. I should know better. You're up 76 on Tesla. That's pretty good, Obsidian. Yeah, Tesla definitely has been a little difficult to play today. That's for sure. I should have been up much higher than where I'm at right now. But it is what it is. So you can pick out rooms. Okay. Yeah, there's some benefits to having a house built quickly. I don't necessarily disagree with that. But I think there's a overabundance of housing, and so I don't think it's going to do very well. Now I could always be wrong, and hopefully I am. Hopefully you make a bunch of money on it. But I would definitely would have a stop loss set. But knowing you, you don't have a stop loss set at all. Period. I kind of want to go back in, but it feels like with these topping tails and whatnot, and very choppy, it's kind of scary. But I think we're gonna shoot up to the 260 soon. I think we're gonna shoot up. I'm really hoping so. I'm getting ready to exit. think I got out bad. No, nope. I got out good. I thought I was going to get out bad there for a second. I wasn't liking how it was stalling. I kind of liked the stalled area. Take it easy, A-Car. Hope you have a good nap. The day you use the stop loss is the day you hook up with a lady. Dude, that's hilarious. Hey, ladies aren't all that bad. It really wants to go. I should have definitely bought on that push down. Look, it's gonna shoot. I just don't know if I can pull the trigger. I want to. Mm. I'm not going to. I'm up 177 after all fees. Let me see how much I'm down from previous HOD. Doing some quick ranging on my spreadsheet here. $28 from my HOD. And you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and call it there. I'm done for the day. I don't feel great, and I'm just going to go ahead and call it. So I'm going to be live on Discord. I'm going to be in the trading post. Going to go ahead and turn on my microphone now. So I'll be in and around the computer for a little while. If I do any trades, I'll let you guys know. If you guys like to come into the Discord, the link is saved and it's pinned. Just come on in, say hi, and I'll talk to you all later. Take care.